All right, well, with the budget only weeks away, India is ramping up its efforts to decrease reliance on imported energy, electronics and defense equipment. The country is recasting its supply chains as a key strategy and will use the budget to fund those initiatives. And we decode that and more in the next report. Take a look.
In recent years, India has been looking to shore up its supply chains and boost domestic manufacturing. This year's budget on February 1st is likely to put more money into regional manufacturing and the creation of safety nets. Important measures will include increasing domestic defense manufacturing and diversifying energy sources. The budget will look at economic resilience rather than cost efficiency as a key strategy. The government is likely to use the budget to fund the domestic industrial depth. The goal is not so much to save dollar reserves as it is to gain soft power in a fragmented world. The government will aim to make the country less exposed to global shocks, geopolitical pressures and supply breakdowns. Tariffs are becoming a tool for advanced economies to demand that India open up some protected sectors like agriculture. Trump's tariffs are a clear example of the pressure tactics. So, India will look to finance the gaps that tariffs alone cannot solve. But the country faces a more nuanced challenge. India needs to protect small and medium-scale industries and some labor-intensive sectors as well. At the same time, the country needs to improve the quality of goods offered and cut costs to make it competitive in international markets. In recent years, the government has shifted its focus from banning imports to selectively choose how to reduce its dependence on foreign goods. India is pursuing strategic mineral partnerships overseas to reduce its sensitivity to supply shocks. The country is incentivizing global corporations to assemble and produce in India and promoting domestic manufacturing. In the years after liberalization, increasing imports were seen as an inevitable result of India's economic progress. Importing oil, technology and capital goods was perceived as a necessary and efficient response to rising wages and consumption. However, recent global disruptions like the COVID-19 pandemic, US tariffs and China's export controls have cast doubt on that notion. This year's budget is likely to lean on targeted fiscal incentives to overcome those challenges. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.